In this demonstration, we're going to go over the branch locator function within the content management system. This actually works in conjunction with Google Maps, so you'll recognize the Google data that's on here, and it'll have the same functionality that a Google Map would have. What this will allow you to do is type in an address and label it appropriately, and it'll put a point on your map. So if you have kind of a snapshot of your city and you have multiple locations, you can have different points on the map that show all your locations. The user clicks on that point, it's going to pop up a box that has the name of the bank, your address, any other type of information that you'd like to put on there. So I'm just going to go through, I'm not going to go through settings or anything of that nature, anything very technical. I'm just going to show you how to add new map locations or take away existing locations on here. So to do that, all you do is scroll over this and go to Edit Map. Once you do that, just click on Data. And this is actually going to show you all the different points that you have labeled on here right now. Right now you have 2 points. It's going to show the addresses of those 2 points. If you wanted to edit any of those, you can just click on the Edit button, or the pencil icon, sorry. It's going to bring up a window here. You see that it's got the latitude, longitude, it's got the address and a description. So these are the two things that it's going to show. So if I wanted to change any of these items, if this isn't called First National Bank anymore or something else, you can change that there. If you wanted to just delete it, you can click on this delete button. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. Another place you can delete it is by clicking on this red X, and then I'll get rid of it as well. If I wanted to add a new location, then I can just click on this Find Address link. So that's going to pop up a window, and I'm just going to type in an address right here. Alright, so I put in the address, city, state, zip code. So I'm just going to click on Find Address. This actually uses Google's geolocator, so it's going to gather that information from Google. So you can see that it found the latitude and longitude of that address. I can clean up this address a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and fix that to the format that I want it in. And the description is where you would put the name of this. So I'm just going to call this First National Bank. So that's all I have to do. I just make sure the address is formatted correctly, choose First National Bank, and it already found my latitude and longitude. So I'm just going to click on Save. You can see that it adds this point on here. It's this bottom point right here is what it added, and it has the latitude and longitude saved. So if I want to see this new point on my map, I can just click on View Map. Now you can see I have a new point on here called First National Bank, which is at that address listed above. It has all the same functionalities that a regular Google Map has, so you have the ability to view it as a map, as a satellite, or as a hybrid of the two. Just going back to the map view real quick. You can move around the map as well. You have zooming functionalities, all the same functionalities you would have in a regular Google Map. This just gives you a simple way to actually administer it and put points on here. So that's kind of a basic run through of our branch locator.